welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today I am going to turn myself into a Snapchat filter. A lot of people probably don't even use Snapchat anymore. I do still follow some people on there. I have come across this cute filter on Snapchat. The Snapchat is called Cute Stars. And I actually took a picture of it just one night after I showered. And I just took a picture and I thought it was super cute. It has cute little stars going across the face with some pink blush. So I thought this would be a very cool video to film. I did buy these embellish stars along with these regular circle ones that I used from one of my videos. I might just add a little bit of my own touch to it because there's like no eyeshadow or lipstick. If you guys want to see how the final outcome looks like, you know the drill. Keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my foundation on. Today's foundation was the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation. I've been really enjoying this foundation. The color is just a tad lighter than I wanted it. Like I said in my intro, there wasn't really any eyeshadow or anything, but I just do want to add a little bit on my eyes. And I'm just going in with the Storybook Cosmetics palette. This is the Briar Rose palette, I believe. Yeah, Little Briar Rose. And I'm just using this shade up here. And just going to pat that all over my eyes just for a more monochromatic pinky look. I didn't put any like eyeshadow primer or anything because I literally want it to be like just a nice wash of color on the eyes, nothing too dramatic or complex. Just going to add this Marc Jacobs Pink of Me eyeliner. Go in with the usual face stuff and the Morphe Glamour Bronze for bronzing. I'm going into the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism blush. I've been really enjoying this blush palette. For this look, I'm going in with this lighter pink color called Pink Moon. I'm just gonna go in with some blush first. And then I'll go in with the faux freckle. Put that across the nose as well. Okay, so we have the blush. Next up, we are going in with the faux freckles. I'm actually kind of scared of this part because I've never used this before. I'm pretty sure everybody's aware of this Freck pen. So tiny for the price. I think this should be like $10, but it's double that price. This is supposed to create the most natural freckle on your face, and I've never done this before, so it's gonna be my first time. Maybe I should have practiced, but I just received this in the mail today, so I was just really excited to film this video. Just wish me luck. Hopefully it won't be too bad. Ooh. I'm going to just tap this. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like I made the marks a little bit too long, but the tip of this is just so sharp. Like, I don't know how I'm supposed to not make it long. So on this side now. I feel like I need more. I will add some more. Ooh. Oh my god. Tap in. Just going to add a little bit more blush on top of it, hopefully to make it look a little bit more natural. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of highlighting, and I can always go in with my trusty Benefit Cookie Highlighter. So it doesn't seem like the filter has any lashes on. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Discovery Mini Brush Waterproof Mascara. It's just a very tiny wand. Same thing to the other side. Just curl these non-existing lashes. Right, and then we are going to finish off with the stickers, and I'm going to try to put it the same way as I see on here. I have some big stars and some little stars. I'm going to go in with the bigger stars. Right on the nose, right here. So these are the stars. I'm going with the little circle ones. Right there. The very last one down here. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so different and so cool. I need to play with jewels some more because they are so pretty. They just totally make the look into something else, you know? And for the lipstick, I'm using ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip in the color Tattletale. In between here, not too much. I'm gonna use my hand, tap it out, get a little more darker on the inside of the lips. And there we have the lips. And this is how the look turned out. I really like it. I feel like it's so fresh looking, and I just feel like these little stars just made this look so much better. So I really enjoyed this look. It's so fresh, so unique and different and fun. Yeah, I really hope you guys like this look, and maybe I'll try to create some more filters. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be a part of my little family here on YouTube. I'd appreciate that so much, and without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!